Hello and welcome to your English language class. Today in this class we'll be taking up the book exercise of worksheet 6 given in your English Junction workbook. The title of this worksheet is William Decides to Help. Now we've already read this chapter and we have done these question answers also. Now let's take up the grammar portion. Rewrite these sentences using not as with the words in the brackets. First one has been done for you. The cheetah is faster than the antelope. Now you have to replace the word faster with slow. Then how we'll do it? The cheetah is not as slow as the antelope. So by using the opposite of the word given in the sentence and by adding not as, we can replace the given word, right? So if we have to say the cheetah is faster than the antelope, then we can also write it as the cheetah is not as slow as the antelope, which obviously means that the cheetah is faster than the antelope, right? So the second one is the clothes in this shop are more expensive than the handicrafts. Now the opposite of expensive is obviously cheap. So the clothes in the shop are not as cheap as the handicrafts. Okay, you'll just write the clothes in the shop are not as cheap as the handicrafts. Third is Nidhi's room is larger than Poonam's. So the opposite of large is small. So Nidhi's room is not as small as Poonam's. Fourth is Mr. Kapoor has acted in fewer films than Mr. Khan this year. So the opposite of few is many. So how will we write this sentence? Mr. Kapoor has acted in not as many as films than Mr. Khan this year. Okay. Next is she is feeling better today than she was yesterday. In bracket we have been given the word bad. So today she is feeling not as bad as yesterday. Okay. Next is this exercise is more difficult than the previous one, and the opposite of difficult is easy. So this exercise is not as easy as the previous one. Next question is rewrite these sentences using as or not as. First is this box is heavy but that box is heavier. So how will we rewrite this sentence? This box is not as heavy as that box. Next is my room is clean, your room is equally clean. So how will we write this sentence? My room is as clean as your room. Okay. Next is chemistry is interesting but biology is more interesting. Chemistry is not as interesting as biology. Okay. Next is playing table tennis is less tiring than playing badminton. So how will we write this? Playing table tennis is not as tiring as playing badminton. Next one is are homeopathy and allopathy equally effective? Then we can write this sentence as is homeopathy as effective as allopathy? Question mark. All right. Next is the thinness of the Barbados thread snake is equal to the thinness of a strand of noodle. We can rewrite the sentence as Barbados thread snake is as thin as a strand of noodle. Full stop. Okay. Next is your vocabulary portion. Complete these sentences using the correct action verbs from the box. First is after breakfast we strolled on the beach. Strolled means we were walking on the beach. Next is he dashed up and down the room until the doctor arrived. He paced up. Okay, maybe he was really tensed, so he was just walking, you can say briskly. Okay, he paced up and down the room until the doctor arrived. Third is seeing a snake in the grass, a mole immediately sprang aside. Sprang means he jumped out of fear. Fourth is Rekha strode to the door to open it for her grandparents who had come to visit her after a year. Strode means um, walking by taking longer steps. Okay, बड़े बड़े कदमों से आगे चलना. Fifth is she fearlessly leaped into the burning building to save the crying child. Leaped, she just jumped into the burning building without even giving it a second thought to save the crying child. Next is my mother scolded me for loitering around. Loitering around means moving around aimlessly. Okay, बिना किसी वजह के इधर उधर घूमना. So my mother scolded me for loitering around after school instead of going home directly. Next is it is great fun to watch little Meena toddling around the house. She has just learned to walk. Toddling means जैसे crawl करते हैं ना floor के ऊपर. So she was just toddling around because she has just learned to walk. She is not able to walk properly, so she is just crawling or toddling around. Last one is he dashed across the large puddle on the road. So he skipped across the large puddle on the road. पडल पता है आपको, जो पानी से भरा हुआ गड्ढा जो होता है रोड पे, उसको पडल कहते हैं. तो उसने क्या किया, ही स्किप्ड, ऐसे जंप करके दूसरी साइड वो पडल के चला गया. नेक्स्ट इज योर राइटिंग पोर्शन. रीड दिस टेक्स्ट, मेक notes about this text and write a 120 word summary. Give it a title. Now I have already explained it to you in the live class. Let me just read this text and then you have to write its summary. If you look at a picture of the deep ocean, you cannot miss the octopus. The animal with 8 arms is one of the most intelligent sea creatures. The octopus has a big bulging head. The arms are located around the mouth and have suckers on the underside. The octopus uses these arms and suckers to catch its prey. Octopuses vary in size and appearance. They are invertebrates, that is, they don't have a spine. Okay, they don't have the vertebral column. Just like human beings, we have vertebral columns, and that's why we are known as vertebrates. Therefore, they can squeeze through very small spaces. They live in holes or under rocks. Octopuses found in warm oceans are small, and those in the cold seas are larger. Females are usually smaller in size than the males. Octopuses can move forward, backwards, or sideways by sucking water through a muscular tube on their body and blasting it out through the same tube. Octopuses also breathe using this tube. It is interesting to note that the octopus can taste everything it eats. It also has a good sense of sight and touch, but it cannot hear. The octopus has 3 hearts. The color of its blood is blue. Another amusing fact about the octopus is that it uses many different defense mechanisms to escape from its enemies. The octopus can change the color of its body to merge with the surroundings and to stay invisible. The octopus ejects a cloud of black ink when attacked. Sometimes the octopus may even shed an arm to escape from a predator. The lost arm grows back in some time. So just write a short summary in about 120 words of this passage. Okay. Next is your punctuation portion. Herein, the question you've been asked to do is place the colon in the correct places in these sentences. Now, what's a colon? Colon is basically a punctuation mark used before a list, an explanation, an example, etc. Okay, and it is also used with ratios, time, and also with titles. Okay, so let's just take these sentences. First is, it is said that colon only one animal can survive a nuclear war, the cockroach. So it's a you can say saying or a quotation, right? Second is, before you go to bed, please ensure that you have done these, colon, switched off the television, turned off the light and a fan in the front room and locked the front and back doors. So here this is a list of things which you are supposed to do before going to bed. Okay, so before you go to bed, please ensure that you have done these, colon. Third is note, colon, the fees for the next term must be paid by 30 December 2017. It's a statement. So after note, there will be a colon. Next is Naresh, colon, hello, am I speaking to Mr. Mathur? Question mark. Mr. Datta, colon, sorry, you have got the wrong number. So while writing the narration part, we also use colon. Okay. Fifth is, if you don't get tickets for the 7:45 show, 7:45 को आप कैसे लिखते हैं? 7 : और double dots and then 45, right? 7:45. Buy 2 tickets for the 9:15 show. 9:15 को भी हम ऐसे लिखते हैं, तो बेसिकली टाइम के लिए भी हम कोलन यूज़ करते हैं. And sixth and the last one is, did you like the movie, colon, Ice Age Dawn of the Dinosaurs? Okay, so I hope you've understood this worksheet well. Just do all these exercises and submit your homework by 3 o'clock tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video.